Yeah, hi everyone. This is Anko and I am explaining about a new revolutionary bike that's produced by TVS. Now it's more main is TVS Sports as you can see it. Now listen this, come here. Now we can see this revolutionary design. This is latest indicator pattern. What we can say silicon indicators. These are very few in this world, and this cost us about 3,000 per indicator. But this could last forever, and this is revolutionary. Adjustable shock ups. This is revolutionary adjustable mud guards, and these are nitrox. You can see this. You can see here clearly. These are nitrox. This is very good. This is very good suspension, and this you can see it. This very broad silencer. Very broad silencer that's beating Hayabusa, and that's no, not brake. Oh my God, that's revolutionary design. Now once again, we can't see the brake. Brake is on the hand levers. That's now let me tell you this. This bike is without gear bike. This bike is an automatic bike. That means the gear shifting and transmission is automatic.
And what about the petrol tank?
And petrol tank, yes. I forgot to tell you about. I'm sorry. This petrol tank, as you can see, this petrol tank is key and lock. Consists of a key and a lock code, which also contain a cap in it, and its capacity is about 30 to 38 liters. And these bikes have a revolutionary.
And what about the fabulous color?
And fabulous color? Yeah, red colors, which is coated by dust.
Okay.
Red color, which is coated by dust. Now, let me tell you about one thing about this bike. This bike has a revolutionary feature that its engine is about 2800 cc, and its average it's about 20 kilometers per liter.
Oh.
No, 20 kilometers, 200 kilometers per liter. And
What about the extraordinary graphics?
extraordinary graphics? Let me tell you about extraordinary graphics. This is a unique, revolutionary design.
Oh.
This it's indicator, which you can't see in any bike in the world. In this world, there's you can see speedometer. Yes, speedometer. That's coated by dust. It's a new coating, always coated by dust. That's you can see 800 kilometers per liter, no per hour, maximum speed of which could stretch up to speed of 700 kilometers per hour. And now I'll tell you this bike is 14,769 kilometers run, but still it can run up to a 1 lakh kilometer. Now let me tell you about its brakes. Now come here. These are the latest disc brakes. This you can see there's a one disc here and another disc here. Now you can see that this is a disc lever. Every means we can say that every disc brake got a rake and pinion piston block, but this doesn't have. It's have only a lever, which is the much powerful than disc brake. It doesn't need even oil. Then you can see the broadness of the tire. You can see the broadness of the tire. It is more than tire of Hayabusa. It's about 38, 96, 99. 38, 96, 99. And you can also see this rim. We could see shock alloy wheels in every bike, but here's we can see the spokes, the revolutionary classic spokes, which gives it the classic look. This is a super LED, which could, if अगर इसको चश्मा पहने में ना देखा जाए, so the man could become blind or fully blind.
There's another tail light.
Yeah, this is another tail light. This is the revolutionary reflector light, which cannot comes which is not coming in any bike. Now let me tell you about this revolutionary and unique seat and sitting arrangement. This the man in every bike. The man could sit while giving a part. झुक के बैठता है. लेकिन in this bike, the man sits straight like this. You. ऐसा बैठ सकता है. Now let me tell you about this front. Now front we got the oil suspensions, the main and the best suspension in the world. There's you can see 6 disc brakes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We can see there are 6 disc brakes, and the broadness of the tire is also very good. That's more than Hayabusa. Rear tire and spokes as usual. Now let me tell you about this very new feature. This is a carrier which the student could also use this bike in carrying their copies and bags. And now there's one feature, one great feature. You can hear, yeah, this is, you can see this kick which is opposite side. Usually the kicks are at the right side of the vehicle, but now
In India.
here's in India the kicks are right side of the vehicle, but in this vehicle the kick is on the left side. Now you can see everyone on watch together. 1, 2, and 3. 3 can sit here easily, and the seat is all support. Seat is again support. This is the hand. This is now. Let me tell you this. Let me tell you this. This is now what we can say it is. It's a new carrier holder. It's a new carrier holder. You can see this. There's a nut fixed in it. There's this fixed in it, and you can see this, that this carrier is a very special one. This is very special, very special one. You can see this. It cannot break anything. So now what more features I can tell you? Yeah, okay. I can tell you about the main and the very special chain sprocket. You can see this chain sprocket. Oh, how sporty look it's got. You can see it. It's with, well, this bicycle has got a main stand. And now what else I can say? 2800cc. Now this is TVS Sports. Now I was explaining about TVS Sports. That's 2800cc, and now we will see the next one in next episode. Thank you. This is
What about the price?
price is about 28 to 30 lakhs,
Okay.
excluding all taxes. In Indian market it will be about 33 to 35 lakhs, but 20 km per liter in 2800cc is not a big deal. Oh, so TVS is now again making some more other models which could revolutionary produce a power of and one more thing, let me tell you about power. This bike produces a power of 12,000 horsepower, 12,000 bhp, which could even, actually the railway engines in India has the power of 24,000 bhp, and this bike produces the power of 12,000 bhp. Now this is better than this. And what else? Let's finish. This was Lankur from Malachur TV. धन्यवाद.